We have all heard of ozone layer. The purpose of this lecture is to find out how this ozone layer was formed. But you must note that the ozone layer we are talking about does not contain only ozone molecule. There are also oxygen molecules in the ozone layer. This mixture is possible because there is a make and break process happening in the ozone layer called the Chapman cycle. Chapman cycle is a cycle that recreates ozone from the oxygen that comes from photosynthesis and use the ozone created to form oxygen molecules again. So in the ozone layer, both oxygen and ozone molecules are recreated. This is the troposphere. Troposphere is a layer of atmosphere where living things exist. The layer of the atmosphere closest to the earth. Remember that through photosynthesis, oxygen molecules are created. This oxygen molecule travels up to the next layer of the atmosphere. The oxygen is going to encounter ultraviolet ray from the sun because the sun is more intense there. And it will break down into two highly reactive oxygen-free radicals. One of these two highly reactive oxygen atoms is going to quickly attack another oxygen molecule to create ozone. This particular one will attack another oxygen molecule to create ozone. There is a way nature behaves. The existence of the ozone is threatened because there is a highly reactive oxygen species. Because of that, the ozone itself will be attacked by the second highly reactive oxygen species to create two molecules of oxygen. The existence of ozone is also threatened by the fact that the UV ray has the ability to destroy the ozone naturally. So this ozone also can undergo another reaction where the UV breaks it down into oxygen and another highly reactive oxygen species. At the end of the day, this highly reactive oxygen species will be looking for either an ozone or oxygen molecule to attack. If it sees any oxygen molecule, it means that this process will repeat. This particular one, it will attack oxygen to form a new ozone. If it sees another ozone to attack, this process will repeat itself. It will attack ozone and release more oxygen molecules. And this is a cycle that continues to make sure that there are new ozone molecules created even after destroying the ozone layer naturally. But the fear is this: human activities also release certain chemicals that destroy the ozone layer. If these human activities continue, the equilibrium created here will shift to favor production of more oxygen and creating of holes on the ozone layer. And this will mean allowing more ultraviolet rays to reach the troposphere where life exists. In order to avoid this, we should limit the activities that produce ozone-destroying substances, especially chlorofluorocarbon.